Welcome back to Sitaro Ka Safar. I am astrologer N Baksh, here to guide you through the celestial energies for the week ahead, from December 6th to December 16th, 2024. This week, the cosmic stage is buzzing with dynamic planetary shifts, whether it's love, career, or your personal growth. Each zodiac sign has its unique story unfolding. Stay tuned to discover how these energies align with your journey. Let's dive right in. Let's start with Leo. Jupiter's retrograde motion in Taurus suggests that you may experience some delays in your financial plans. This could be related to income or investments, so it is important to be extra cautious when it comes to large financial decisions. Look for hidden costs and review your budget to prevent unnecessary expenditures. This is a period to focus on managing what you have rather than expanding. The influence of Saturn in Aquarius indicates a time when your commitment and patience will be tested. You may face challenges that require you to work harder, but rest assured, your efforts will be rewarded in the long term. It is essential to stay disciplined and not let any setbacks discourage you. Venus in Sagittarius brings warmth and a desire for connection. This is a great period for romantic gestures, quality time with your partner, or even new romantic prospects. If you're in a relationship, consider planning an outing or an intimate dinner to rekindle your bond. A short or spontaneous trip could provide an opportunity for rest and rejuvenation. Don't overplan, keep it flexible to ensure you can make the most of it. For students, your creative side will shine, making it easier to approach complex subjects. Use this period to brainstorm and think outside the box, especially in projects or presentations. For your health, your energy levels are generally good, but it is essential to avoid overworking yourself. Ensure that you take breaks and find time for activities that keep your mind and body balanced. Practicing gratitude and mindfulness will help you maintain a positive mindset during this period. Keep a journal to reflect on your daily achievements and stay grounded. Let's move on to Virgo. With Ketu in Virgo, you might feel the urge to reassess your financial goals and consider simplifying your financial commitments. This is a great time for decluttering your financial life and letting go of expenses that don't serve your well being. The retrograde Mercury could also bring challenges with finances tied to shared resources or investments. The Sun and Moon in Scorpio suggest a period of hard work and possible power struggles at the workplace. This may be a good time to collaborate with colleagues rather than trying to work alone. Use your natural analytical skills to spot areas for improvement and propose practical solutions. Relationships may feel a bit intense during this period, especially with family. Avoid making assumptions and engage in open discussions. For singles, this is a good time to reflect on what you want in a relationship rather than rushing into one. A trip with a focus on learning or exploration could be fulfilling. Stay flexible with travel plans as unexpected changes may occur. For students, your logical and analytical mind is your strength. Take the time to study and review topics that require attention to detail. Group study sessions might also be beneficial. Health wise, the retrograde Mercury may affect your digestive system, so be mindful of what you eat. Opt for light and nutritious meals and avoid anything too heavy or rich. Maintain a routine that includes relaxation techniques like deep breathing or yoga to keep stress in check. Let's move on to Libra. Venus in Capricorn indicates a more serious approach to finances. You might feel the need to start saving for future goals or pay off debts. The retrograde influence of Mercury may lead to minor setbacks in financial transactions, so double check details before committing to anything significant. With Saturn in Aquarius, you may find that your hard work begins to pay off. This is a time to focus on long term projects and avoid shortcuts. Building a solid foundation now will support your professional growth down the line. Relationships could see a touch of seriousness, especially with your partner. This is an excellent time to have conversations about the future and align your goals. Singles may meet someone new who challenges their perspective, sparking intellectual and emotional connection. While travel is not strongly favored during Mercury retrograde, short, local trips could be enjoyable and provide a change of pace. For students, this is a favorable period for academic progress, especially in subjects that require strategic thinking. Take breaks when needed to maintain focus and productivity. Health wise, be mindful of your cardiovascular health. Simple exercises like walking or swimming can help you stay active and support your well being. Make time for self reflection. Balance is key during this period, so try to spend time doing activities that you love and that help you recharge. Let's move on to Scorpio. The sun and moon in your sign combined with Mercury retrograde may lead to moments of financial introspection. You might reconsider your budget or spending habits, making adjustments that align with your long term goals. Pay attention to small details and financial agreements to avoid miscommunication. This is your time to shine, especially with the strong planetary influences in Scorpio. Your natural charisma and determination are heightened, making it an ideal period for taking charge of projects or presenting your ideas. Be prepared for some challenges, but trust in your ability to overcome them. With emotional energies running high, relationships may feel more intense. Use this as an opportunity to strengthen bonds, but be mindful not to let emotions cloud your judgment. Open communication will be your key to maintaining harmony. Mercury retrograde suggests avoiding long distance travel unless necessary. If you do travel, ensure that you double check all arrangements. For students, your focus will be sharp, allowing you to work through complex topics with ease. Use this time to study and work on assignments that require deep thinking. Health wise, your energy levels may fluctuate, so prioritize rest when needed. Take care of your immune system by staying hydrated and eating a balanced diet. Engage in activities that allow you to express your emotions, such as journaling or creative arts. Don't be afraid to seek support if needed. That wraps up this week's horoscope predictions for all the zodiac signs. I hope these insights help you navigate the upcoming days with clarity and confidence. If you found value in this reading, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar for more astrology updates. Your support fuels this cosmic journey. And as always, stay connected with the stars and your inner self. Until next time.